Hi guys, it's Emma. Today I'm going to be doing a review on these wired headphones from Mpow that sent us out for us to review. Thank you. So on this box you have, if you have the same headphones as, you plug the wire into your phone and you have
phone or tablet.
Yeah. And then you have another headphone, so you connect it up to that headphones and you can listen to the same music. You have a hearing protection, children alternated, and safe materials. Let's open. Got it. Ooh. So here's the cable that we can connect up to others. So you have one there and then one there.
You take it out and show them.
And then, so it's a blue colour, and it's like a wire, like a rubbery kind.
Yep.
And here you have it where you have
the volume
and the, like, if you have it on or off. And then the headphones are here. So they come like this, and you just put them up like that. They can
adjust.
So you can adjust them to your ears.
They soft.
Yeah. There's like a soft bit here, and then a soft bit here as well for your ears. So on this, you put this. Where is it? Here in this one, and then you put it in like that. And then if you where's the other one? Here. Put this one in the other headphone as well. Now we're going to show you the sound coming out of it.
Nice colour blue as well, aren't they? As you can hear the sound.
There you go, guys. That's the sound coming out of the headphones.
Do you recommend them?
Yeah, because they're really comfy on here as well. Bye guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, so smash the like button, leave a comment down below and subscribe. Bye!